Today is the 26th of February, 2020. It's looking different in here. Got all the insulation blown in up here. Still working on it, but the insulation's in. Got to trim it down in certain areas. Bad insulation in the middle walls, but got 5.5 inches of open cell foam all the way around, and then a little bit more through the middle. So that's what it looks like. I think it's going to take about 2 more days of this. So getting the insulation in really narrows the room down. It makes it look a lot smaller. But you can see this has got a little bit more spray to go. We're going to shave it down smooth. Blocks a lot of light. Start putting this insulation up. Still going to cut this down and fill these voids up all the way. It's going to look good. All the wiring's in, all the speaker wire, cables, and everything. This will be a stereo computer setup for the TV on that wall. And the bedroom is in this room with large sliding doors that close it off, and then we'll do a workout area over here with 4 massive closets. And then the full bathroom over here with double sinks. A slipper tub will go right there. Double sinks, 1, 2. And then the shower is right there with 3 water outlets. And then the commode and a linen closet. And there'll be a pocket door right here. So that's that.